Alright, we finally got this thing unstuck. It was totally frozen. Oh, actually one of my feet broke. I stupidly left the fan out here, which was actually protected because it was underneath, didn't get wet, but the cord got frozen. Now I gotta take that off right inside, let it warm up. The cord itself got some got a little water on. Our project for today is to take the two receptacles for the insulated air duct. Gonna put one here and one on the other hole. Then we'll fasten the air duct to it, and then we'll connect that to the fort. So right today it's snowing, so supposed to get a pretty bad snowstorm tonight, about a foot, so I wanted to do this before it really snowed, and I'm probably going to prop this up on some blocks so it doesn't get frozen down. I'll be able to move it around a little bit. But alright, I traced a hole here. This is where the warm air is going to come in. I'm going to get the cooler air down here, just for and these are the I don't know, what would you call this? I don't even know what I call it. They're just going to get, on the outside, they're just going to get screwed in. The duct is going to get clamped right there. Alright, so these are the connectors that are going on. I broke off the little tabs that this would normally have hooked to. It's supposed to go like through a wall or something like that, but I'm just using them for a different purpose. I'm just going to drill some holes in here, and the other side already has holes. This has to be one of the cheapest tools I've ever seen. I'm almost ashamed to show anybody I own it, but hopefully it'll do the job. I can't find my little handsaw that will cut that out, so it's going to have to do for now. I'd stand back a little if I were you. You never know. Stand back from me just in case it's something. Yeah. Oh. That's not going. Hello. That hole is definitely a little smaller than what I wanted, but oh well. Whoa. Thanks, partner. All right. Cool. Almost tipped over. So this is our insulated air duct. 25 feet of it, I think, should be sufficient. I'm just going to cut it in half. Ooh, like a stinky. It's huge.
Is there anything inside of it?
What?
Anything inside of it?
No, there's a hose. This is just like vapor barrier, and it has the insulation, then it has the hose, and this is what goes over the thing. It gets clamped, and then we'll just probably zip tie this around or something like that. Jeez, stuff's tough. So I have to get some wire cutters. Cut the That's easy.
I can hold the tube on there.
Okay.
So this pretty much won't let a lot of heat out, like barely any heat out at all.
I have a bunch of these old wire zip ties kicking around, so I'm not going to go out and buy big ones. Just for this occasion, I'll use a bunch of little ones. And this will hopefully keep the insulation from getting wet, especially on this bottom one that's going to be closest to the ground. I only needed 3. I'm trying to avoid pinching this. Next one of these I build is going to be a little less heavy. Or lighter, I guess is the word. Don't pull too hard on it though. Could have just taken it off.
I know.
And then we'll have enough that if we want to move it away from the building a little bit, we can.
So if we can't get sun, and there's sun somewhere else, we can move it?
Yeah, well, I mean, we were getting pretty good sun there. Perfect. Next one.
Does that fit perfectly on that?
Well, it's
Oh yeah, a little
made
big.
for a 4-inch air duct.
There's snowflakes all over the camera.
I don't know why I wait for snowy days to do any projects. It's like my only days off and it snows.
Okay.
That's it. Alright, so that's it. It's all hooked up. The ducts running. Gonna put the fan. I'll show you where I'm gonna put the fan in there. We're not gonna get too much heat out of it. Hi.
Hi.
Not gonna get too much heat out of it today, obviously, because it's snowing. But I just wanted to get this done before we get another foot of snow, which is what we're supposed to be getting today. In here, right on the bottom hole, right there, is where the fan's gonna go. You should pick up the cooler air, push it through into the solar heater, solar furnace, and then it's gonna come out the top, nice and warm. We'll do a test on that another day. Once the snow stops. Has to be obviously a sunny day. I mean, even a little overcast still produces some heat, but you know, when it's like this, we're not going to get anything out of it. So that's it. Thanks for watching.